Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to rotate your external monitor on your Mac. So let's dive in. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we need to do is plug in the external monitor directly into our Mac using an HDMI or a USB-C cable. This direct connection works best for accessing all display features. Go ahead, click on the Apple menu once you've done so in the top left corner, and then go ahead and look for System Settings. Navigate to the Display section. Hold down the Option key while clicking on Displays to reveal advanced settings and rotation options that may be hidden by default. Scroll down to locate the Rotation drop-down menu. This is typically positioned above about 2/3 down the display window. Now select your angle. Choose your preferred rotation, so 90 for portrait and 180 for an upside down or 0, or 270 for portrait left orientation. Once you've done this, confirm by clicking and the rotation will be prompted. Physically rotate your monitor and it's on its stand and it'll match the new screen orientation.